activity, and also we should complete something very quickly. Okay, one exercise. And share not this activity, not this at all. Please put it back. Whatever's in your hand, I can see what you have in your hand. That's right. Okay. So yesterday I explained complex sentences and by the
Yes, everyone. Good morning again.
And then there was nothing. That's all. Yes, everyone managed. So I'm not going to explain it again. Now, here, the others. Because yes, yes. Oh, yes.
Maths.
Very good. Okay. Math, yes. Yes, आपको shout. Nandini, I can't hear you. ऐसा लगता है नंदिनी बात कर रही है but बहुत
How are you all?
बहुत दूर से.
How are you all?
Ma'am, I am happy. Ma'am, I am happy. Ma'am, I am excited.
You are
Ma'am, I
happy.
am happy.
Okay. Nobody's tired?
So yesterday I
Nobody's tired?
very quickly.
No, ma'am.
Someone tired? Okay, stand up everyone. Stand up everyone.
Simple sentence. A sentence.
Pick a red color thing in your hands. Pick a red color thing in your hands. Pick a red color thing in your hands. Any red color thing. See? See, any red color things. Pick it up. Pick any red color.
Ma'am, please see my.
Oh wow. Naini, hands में you have to hold it. You have to hold something in your hand. Any red color things in your hands.
कर दिया जो क्या कर
Quickly, quickly, quickly.
If any sentence has a subject, verb, and object, उसको बोलते हैं verb. A compound sentence has two sentences which are joined by a coordinating conjunction of handwords. Say a compound sentence has is a sentence which has two independent clauses.
Yes, quickly.
Joined by coordinating.
Keep your cameras on.
I have brought it.
She's holding a clothes in her hand. Very good, Shreya.
Which are
नहीं Ayushi, sorry, Ayushi. Okay, Ayushi, sorry. Okay. Yes, she's holding up hand. Yes, hold one thing. Now stand up. Now hand, stand up. Stand up, quick. Stand up. Holding the red color thing in your hands. Okay. Pick a red color thing in your hand. Hands up. Hands up. Stretch your arms.
I think I have given you the second question.
Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms up. Up and straight. Up and straight. Yes, like this. Shift right, left. Radhya, stand up. Radhya, stand up. Samarth Kumar, stand up. Samarth, stand up. Quick. Pranjal, stand up. Hands up. Pranjal, hands up. Ayush, stand up. Hands up. My order means my order. एक बार बोलूंगी सब वही करना है सबको. Okay? Yes, very good. Very nice. Very good. Samarth like this. Samarth like this. Yes. Stretch it up. Yes, very good. Hardik. Very good. Okay. Shift left side. Everyone. Turn left side. Sarthak, why are you not doing? Are you doing something special in class? Do it. Stand up. Turn. I said Ayushi and Shreya wrong. Turn like this. On the left side. Left. Yes. Okay. Left. Right. Right? Hardik, right? Hardik, right? नहीं ऐसे Hardik stretch like this. Right? 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 Okay. Hardik, be quick, beta. Quick, 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 quick. Right? Again left. Left. Right? Right? Left. Down, sit down. Sit down. Now, how are you feeling? Are you feeling tired? नींद भाग
No,
गई?
ma'am.
नींद भाग गई सारी?
No, ma'am.
अब नींद आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
अब किसी को आ रही है नींद? किसी को नींद आ रही है?
No, ma'am.
Is somebody feeling sleepy? What happened,
No,
Samad?
ma'am.
What happened to your bag? Are you so old? Huh? How much old are you, Samarth Kumar? Are you a 50-year-old or 60-year-old? Vanya ko dekho, she is 60-year-old and she is sleeping now. She is so tired. है ना Vanya? You are so tired and she is sleeping. She is 60-year-old. She becomes old now. कौन कौन बुढ़ा हो गया? Let me see. कौन कौन बुढ़ा हो गया? All those who are sleeping. Are you are old? Sartham कहाँ के वो सार्थक? There is Samarth or Samarth. Sorry, Samarth Kumar. हाँ Samarth. 60-year-old. Are you 60-year-old?
No, ma'am.
I think so.
No, ma'am.
That's why your back is aching,
No.
and you're saying my back is aching. As if you are doing like this. No, okay. Apurv is 60-year-old. Apurv, गिर जाओगे. Sit straight. Chalo, everyone take out your maths notebooks now. Notebooks. Do you have a maths notebook? And beta, very important. Everyone will use maths notebook both side line, and everyone you will have a scale. Now I'm going to start maths notebook work. Every day, everyone will keep one scale with you. Okay? Everybody be ready with the scale. Be ready with the scale. Okay? Sit down. Sit down, sit straight, everyone. Now take out your maths fair notebook, a new page. Put down the date. Put down the date.
Ma'am, 13 days.
Put down. What you are saying? Yes. Take out maths fair notebook, new page, quickly. Very good. You all are very good students and you are very quick. Quick. Pranjal, how do you feel while sitting in school uniform? Pranjal?
After we finish doing this, I want beta all the videos on camera.
Ma'am, when the class is over?
Huh?
Ma'am, when the class is over?
अरे इतनी नींद आ रही है क्या? Class, when the class will be over? Yeah? What is this? नींद आ रही है? You want to sleep?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am asking.
What you are asking? Why you are asking? Because you are feeling sleepy.
Ma'am, because I am very tired.
Because you are tired. Who is tired? Tell me your name. Who is feeling tired? Who is
Ma'am,
feeling
I
tired?
Arjun Yadav.
Who is feeling tired? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, I Arjun Yadav.
Arjun.
Ma'am, I Arjun.
Arjun अभी कहाँ थे बेटा? When I was asking
Yes,
you to
ma'am.
stand up. Stand up. Arjun, stand up. Start doing this, everyone. Maths fair notebook में the circle one I've written. Write the date. Write chapter 1, numbers and numeration. Write exercise 1.3. जैसे मैंने किया वैसे ही आपको करना है. Question C, you will also write question C. If I write question 1, you will also write question 1. Vanya, speak in English. Vanya, speak in English. speak in English, Vanya. We have to draw the line. Ask like this, ma'am. Do we have to draw this line?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, please send the work on the
Beta,
photo
this
of
is
the.
not the work. Beta, this is the work only. Take out your maths fair notebook. Fair notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Take it out. Maths की एक notebook निकालो, new one. Okay? Write chapter 1, numbers and numeration. जैसे मैंने लिखा है यहाँ board पर, you have to do in the same way.
Ma'am, we have to write maths fair notebook also.
No. Whatever I've written in the bubble means your information. कि कहाँ करना है हमें ये काम. Bubble means your information where you have to do this work. Okay?
Ma'am, what we have to write the number names?
Beta, you have to number the names. For example, first one I have done for you. 1, 5, 2, 3. How do you number name it? 1 is
Okay.
at 1000 place. So 1000, 500, 20. 2, 3 we read as 23. 1523. Like this you have to write it. Yes.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
मैम क्या मैथ की न्यू नोटबुक में करना है?
Yes, you have to do this in maths fair new notebook because we have not done anything in notebook. This is the first time we are.
मैम
Yes.
मैम क्या ऐसी नोटबुक चलेगी?
Beta, speak in English. Speak in English.
मैम क्या this notebook will be?
Yes, we will use this notebook and both side lines.
Yes.
Both side it should be line.
मुझे पता नहीं.
Who is this? Arjun Yadav, please switch off your mic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to start this. Ma'am, we have to start this work with new page.
Yes, obviously बेटा. इससे पहले कुछ लिखा है old page पे, ये बताओ. Old page है कोई?
Ma'am, no.
Yeah, na? So that means you have to start from
Ma'am,
the
we
new
will
page.
do this. Ma'am, which page number?
बेटा no page number it is. Notebook में करना है इसको. करो इसे. जो मैंने लिखा है वो करोगे. मैंने बुक के क्वेश्चंस चेंज कर देती हूँ. So don't think कि बुक से दिया मैं हमने. मैं बुक के नंबर्स चेंज कर देती हूँ बेटा. I change the number of the books. Digits in the given in the book are different, and I give you different questions.
Mithila is a good actor, so she has got a role in the new show. So Mithila has got, so we just interchange the place of the sentence. The meaning is the same. Okay? So this will be Mithila is a good actor, so Mithila has got a role, or she has got a role in the new show. The next one, Madrina, the fourth one. Yes, Madrina. Yes. Yes, he woke up early today, but did not reach for the interview on time. Correct. Yeah, the next one. makes nice puddings. Okay, correct. Let's share the next one.
Kunal, where are you? And who is this?
Yes, Yupika.
What is this, Kunal? When you study, nobody should disturb you. Because in school you don't sit like this. Okay, I'm writing the third question also, beta.
Shut the door.
Wait. You will see the third question also. Question 3 also.
Yes, yes. Shut the door
Read, do question 3 also.
or
Do
shut
question
the
4
door.
also.
अभी या तो बंद कर दो या जब अंदर आओगे तब बंद करना. Or it is an option. Shut the door or shut it after you come in. Okay. Okay, Vandrina, the next one. Where were you? I'm calling out your name, Vandrina.
Do all the questions.
The title is name, so turn off the volume. Correct. The last one, study hard, you might not pass. Very easy this one. This is okay. Now, this activity that you're going to do, you're going to do in your notebooks, copy it. Okay. I'm explaining the activity to you right now. What it is, you will write it as a question. You will write activity in the notebook. You will write the question. I'll just type it in the chat box.
See, there are 5 questions. See, there are 5 questions.
Also, the activity is you're going to
There are 5 questions.
Conversation. Write a conversation about. Better don't do that. You're going to write a conversation about.
You have to do all 5 questions.
Using a simple sentence, a compound and complex. You can use many simple, compound and complex. Okay? They can be derivative sentences. Obviously, when you ask what is special today, then do you have this? So, compound means you are joining.
Keep your cameras on so that I can know you are doing the work or what you are doing.
And complex means one is complete and one is incomplete. So, if you want, you can do it in rough as of now. Then we discuss and then you do it in fair or you want to do directly in the notebook. What do you want to do? Rough or fair? Directly in the notebook. Oh, that I like the confidence. Okay. So, take out the notebooks, all of you, very quickly. All of you have them with you. Okay. Copy. Do you have a copy? So,
Oh, your screenshot. Wait a second, beta. Sorry. It was paused. Wait.
You can type the question. For today's day, put the heading as activity. You want to put the chapter heading as sentences. Can you do that exercise? I'm writing all in caps, but you will not write the question in capital letters. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to done this.
Yes, you have to do this, beta. सब सारे करने हैं इसमें. अब सारे करके मुझे भेजने भी अभी के अभी.
Write the number name. Ma'am, I am not done the. Please open that. Click only.
Okay. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Now it is open.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It is not open. Okay, sorry. It was done by mistake. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not this one. Sorry. This one is. Now it is.
This channel you
No,
see,
ma'am.
I will suggest
Yes, beta, this is the one.
with the pencil children in case there are mistakes. See in the chat box. Order food in a restaurant using the three kinds of sentences, that is complex, compound, and simple. Okay? Start with it. It's very easy and innovative. Think about it.
Wait a second. अभी I'm sharing again. अभी फिर से share कर रही हूँ. Let me sharing again. Okay, now it is shared. You can do from here now.
So for today's date, put the heading as activity and then you will write this question. Okay? Start with this. Hello. नंबर कहाँ से मिल गया?
As soon as you complete it, send it to me on my WhatsApp. Complete it quickly, everyone. जल्दी से मुझे share करो. Share it quickly to me.
Don't wait for the teacher to ask that Manya, do you know what we are doing? Okay. So we're doing an activity in the copy where you have to order food in a restaurant using the three kinds of sentences. Okay.
Yes, quickly do it and send the work to me. Humaira, are you doing the work, beta, in maths notebook?
The heading is activity.
Are you doing
You
it?
will write the question, order food in a restaurant using the three kinds of.
Per day, I didn't get a single answer.
Then we'll start with this.
I have done my work. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, beta, send it to me.
भैया प्लीज कर दीजिए मैं शुरू करूँ
Ma'am, I have done my work.
हम इसको able to do it
Oh, beta, I didn't get your answer. Okay, now I got it, Kunal. Now I got your answer. 1523. बेटा एवरीथिंग इज रॉन्ग कुणाल। कुणाल अगर ये पेज मेरे सामने आ जाएगा ना मैं इसे पूरा कट कर दूंगी। आपने चैप्टर नंबर लिखा, चैप्टर 1 लिखा बेटा? कुणाल कुणाल आपने ये सब लिखा है जो मैं मार्क कर रही हूँ रेड पेन से? अभी मैं मार्क करती हूँ। वेट, लेट मी ड्रॉ विद अ रेड पेन। व्हाट इज दिस कुणाल? आपने ये लिखा चैप्टर 1। वेयर इज दिस रिटन? वेयर इज दिस रिटन नंबर नेम्स? And where is these question numbers? Where are these question numbers, Kunal? रब करो इसे अभी के अभी, मुझे फिर से दोबारा चाहिए वक्त पूरा का पूरा। Don't think I'm checking only your answer. I'm checking the whole work of yours. Write the chapter number. This question answers. Question number also. Do not delete it. Delete करने से बेटा कुछ नहीं होता है।
Speak a bit louder. When you speak, it looks as if you're very far off, far away, and then you're speaking. So are you going to do Nandini? Okay, let's see. What about Edward? Send beta Nandina, I haven't received it. Who else has done? Yeah, what about you, beta? Rajni? Okay. Hello.
Quickly send it to me.
मैंने उसको कहा कि मैं दिया ना आपसे हाँ करेक्ट
मैम कौन सा गलत है? मैम कौन सा गलत है?
बेटा क्या कौन सा करना है? सारे करने हैं। All 5. Everything
Ma'am,
that
I
is
have done
written here,
my
you have to
work.
do it. Send it, beta.
Ma'am, I
Send it.
have done my work.
I want to see. Send it on WhatsApp. Send it on WhatsApp. I want to see how you have done it. Like Kunal ने तो बहुत गंदा work किया था. I want to see how many of you are doing it properly and not properly. Send it to me on WhatsApp. I want to see how you are doing it.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, send it to me. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, first question answer you have done it. So we have to
Yes, you
not
also
write
have
that.
to. आपको भी करना है बेटा. You also have
Okay,
to.
ma'am.
Beta, Aryan, I got your answer. I'm checking your answer. Just give me a minute. Chapter लिखा है. Question, write the number names. Okay, 1023, 5005, 6016, 8013, 6300, 6000. Beta, Aryan, your last answer is wrong. Aryan, your last answer is wrong. Correct it.
Ma'am, my phone is bad. My phone bad.
Beta, speak louder. I'm not getting your voice.
Ma'am, my phone battery low.
Your phone battery is low. What is your name?
Yes.
What is your name? What is your name?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Vanya Mishra.
वान्या
Ma'am, I have.
वान्या चलो सेंड इट टू मी 10 मिनट्स रह गए जल्दी से वर्क कंप्लीट करके सेंड कर दो मुझे अभी के अभी
मैंने वर्क कंप्लीट कर ली और आप भेज दीजिए.
आयुष श्रेया leave one line in between and improve your handwriting Shreya okay Shreya leave one line when you finish one question and improve your handwriting instead of talking to Ayushi continuously do your pay attention on your work ठीक है okay Shreya where is she
Yes, ma'am.
understood beta improve your handwriting
Okay, ma'am.
okay, Aryan Gangwar okay Aryan yes now it is correct beta very good Aryan
Thank you, ma'am.
Vashu you send me the answer send it again Vashu send me the answer again beta Vashu send me the answer
And please let me know what
La la la. Jomiti ma. Oh. La 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 meri ja.
send it to me quickly those who have done okay Vanya I got your answer after this you can leave beta when I check your answer na write the number name 1520 Vanya spelling of 20 is wrong and beta आपने question भी wrong लिखा है 3 नहीं लिखा है first वाले question में 5005 6060
मुझे नहीं पता.
बेटा 103 नहीं है वान्या 013 क्या होता है बेटा 013 is what 013 is 103 013 is what huh? It's 13 not 3 013 is 13 8113 okay Ayushi and Ritvik I got your answers now Ritvik अरे Ritvik what is this beta who will write down the answers और मैथ्स पे नोटबुक रख करो ऊपर से this you don't have to write Ritvik are you able to hear me Ayushi beta all are correct very good Ritvik where is Ritvik where is he Ritvik beta open your mic and camera बेटा आपको आंसर्स भी करने हैं नॉट ओनली क्वेश्चन अपूर्व वेयर आर यू वेयर इज अपूर्व अपूर्व लिसन टू मी बेटा मैंने तो मार्जिन बनाया आपको ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है आपने क्यों बनाया मार्जिन हाँ आपने मार्जिन क्यों बनाया आपका तो बना हुआ है do neat and clean work and 1000 की स्पेलिंग होती है THOUSAND ठीक है अपूर्व your answers are correct but do not draw the margin आपके में कॉपी में तो ऑलरेडी मार्जिन है all right understood
Okay, ma'am.
okay बेटा प्रांजल बेटा write
Yes,
question C you have not written question C write the number name से पहले question C लिखो और नंबर नहीं, नंबर न्यूमरेशन भी नहीं लिखा है ऊपर टॉप पर, एक्सरसाइज नंबर भी नहीं डाला है आपने। हाँ प्रांजल, who will do this? करो उसे। Beta, be very particular what I am writing on the board. Everything you have to write on board. Whatever is written on board, you have to write it.
Nandini, that's yours. Ranjit.
Quick, quick, quick.
Okay, that will be all on your plate. That will be on your plate after some time. Okay, so your simple sentences, ma'am. Want something? I want a glass of water. Okay, so though is your subordinating conjunction.
Pranjal, your answers are correct.
Okay. Yes, Ranjit.
But you have not written this question number. Where are others, Humaira? And what about others? Samarth Kumar, where are your answers? Ritvik, complete your answers. You have not done the answers full. Aradhya, where are your answers? Ayush, Hardik, Arjun, Sarakshi, Kunal. Where are your answers? Okay, now I got it. I got Pranjal answer again. Very good, Pranjal. Pranjal, write chapter name also. Numbers and numeration. Ayush, very good. 6,307, 8,000, 8,013, 6,060, 5,005. Very good, Ayush. Very good, well done. Kunal, wrong. Kunal, अगर आप मुझे ऐसे काम दोगे, मैं आपको पूरा काम कट कर दूंगी. Neither you have written the chapter number. Chapter number नहीं लिखा है. चैप्टर नेम नहीं लिखा है और बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करना शुरू कर दिया है, ना क्वेश्चन नंबर डाले है ना. कुणाल, नेक्स्ट टाइम मेरे पास अगर ये आ गया, अभी तो मुझे करके भेजोगे, अभी के अभी दोबारा करके भेजो. कट कर दो इस पेज को और न्यू पेज से करो सारा काम. फिर से करो, मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ बेटा. इफ आई फाउंड एनी वर्क नॉट डन प्रॉपरली,
We only have these two things at present. Okay, please go down my homework. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are in English literature class.
who, what,
Ma'am, we are in English literature class.
क्या बोल रहे what is saying? Please say
Ma'am,
again.
we are in English literature class.
You have to change our class. Change the class means
Please order send.
Ma'am, he is saying I will change the section.
who is saying? Who want? Tell me your name. What is your name? What is your name?
Ma'am, his name is
No,
Pranjal.
it is not possible. You can't change your class.
Ma'am, I saying where is English literature class?
Where is English literature class? Means क्या कहना चाह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, English की class कहाँ है?
इंग्लिश की क्लास कहाँ है? क्या मतलब?
Ma'am, टाइम टेबल में दिया हुआ है
इंग्लिश
कि
लिटरेचर नहीं है.
क्लास
इंग्लिश की क्लास. अच्छा बेटा, आज मैम का जो था अरेंजमेंट था, मैंने आज 2 पीरियड्स लिए ना आपके. आई हैव टेकन 2 पीरियड्स ना, सो टुडे वाज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay beta, the period is going to be over. Send me
Ma'am,
your
the
answer.
class is over.
Yes, the class is going to be over. Bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Complete this work everyone. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.